Damn, this year has flown by. My last ride of 2022. Off we go. So, it is December 30th, 2022. And today, right here, right now, will be my last ride for 22. It's actually 51 degrees right now, which is a far cry from what it was a couple of days ago. I mean, shit, over the weekend, over Christmas holidays, it was like 19-20 degrees, I think, was the high. So this is a far cry, and I'm very happy and very blessed to be able to get out on a motorcycle, make some content for you guys, and talk a little bit about 2022 and a little bit about 2023. So 2022, it was a decent year. We did make some strides in the channel. We got some more subscribers, got some more views. It at times was a frustrating year here on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, I had my issues, my concerns, my down points when it came to YouTube. I also had my up points. I did get to ride a couple times with some other YouTubers, which was a good time. One of them, I didn't get a chance to record on that one ride, the ferry boat ride, the Boats and Hose tour, because I had a broken camera mount. So, but I did get to ride with those guys a couple times this year. So I ended 2020. Well, 2022 didn't end yet, so, but I am ending 2022 with more subscribers, more people watching my content. So that's a good thing. That's always a plus. Is it what I would have liked it to have been at this point in time? No, not in the least. But it's positive. I gotta stay positive, you know. But in 2023, I have been kicking around the idea of buying a new motorcycle. I've been tossing it around in my head, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do and actually which direction I'm going to go with it. I've had a couple thoughts. I love my Vaquero, don't get me wrong. She's a good girl. I love her. And unfortunately, when I do buy another bike, I don't have room for two. So it is going to be the end of my time with her if I do decide to get a new bike this year. And the Vaquero is a fixed fairing motorcycle, and honestly, I love a fixed fairing motorcycle. So if I decide to go with a fixed fairing motorcycle as the next one, I'm sure you guys can figure out where this is going. I have a limited number of choices for that. I have probably 3 or 4 choices. Now, I could go with the Harley Road Glide. I could go with the Indian Challenger. Or in all reality, I can go with a Honda Goldwing. Now, the route I'm going to take or choose is up in the air right now. I don't know which way I'm going to go with it. I don't even know if I'm going to buy a new bike in 2023. You know, maybe I'll buy a little beater bike, keep it outside, and won't have to worry about sticking it in the shed, and just buy a little beater bike to change it up a little bit, make different content on. I don't know what it's going to bring. Like I said, I have been tossing around the idea for a couple months. So we will see. 2022, I want to get out and meet more people. Not just motor vloggers, but more, like, even people that watch my channel. I've been in talks with about getting together with a couple people, and I've had some discussions with other Vaquero owners about getting together, and I would love that. I had a great time. The only time I ever rode with another Vaquero, my man Vito, I had a great time running with him that day. We had a good time. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to get back and ride together again. It just hasn't been in the cards. So yeah, that's like pretty much so my plans for the upcoming season. Riding with some of the people I've already ridden with, like Vulcan Pa, Trekkie Moto, Untamed Ride, Misplaced Motor Vlogger. I want to get back and ride with those people again. I really enjoy riding with those guys. I really enjoy their company. It's a good group. It's a really good group, and we always seem to have a good time. But like I said, I want to expand that. I want to ride with other people. Yeah. So hopefully 2023 will be a better year for the channel, and if not for the channel, for my motorcycling experiences. So I'm just out here for a little ride to go out for a couple hours, get a little bit of that wind therapy, and I'm looking for a place to buy my lottery tickets, because unless you live under a rock, the Mega Millions is worth $500 and something million, and that would be a hell of a way to go in 2023, winning that. So while I'm out here today, I'm gonna stop and get me some tickets. Gotta play to win, right? And like I said last time, I talked about buying lottery tickets, and if I won, what I would do. That still stands. If I win the lottery, guys, we're gonna do a PAM, and it's gonna be on me. I gotta win the lottery first, but if that's what happens, that's what happens. So I know most of y'all won't be watching to this point in time, so you won't even know that offer. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys have had a Merry Christmas, and I hope it is a Happy New Year for you guys. So Happy New Year. Hopefully 2023 will be better than your 2022, whatever that may mean. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another, because I love you guys. Peace.